Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Waqas Ahmed, the student of Rehan AI Teacher Training Institute. So today we conduct with Mr. Wajid from Dera Ghazi Khan an interview and ask him about his journey. How are you, Mr. Wajid?
I'm also fine. Sir, how are you?
Yes, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. How's day today? Today is
Uh,
Jummah.
yes,
So can you start your introduce about yourself?
yes, my name is Muhammad Wajid, Remote Job Wala.
Yes.
I'm a student at Rihan AI Teacher Training Institute, uh, batch 22, and I'm from Dera Ghazi Khan. I'm passionate about learning modern digital skills and building a career in remote work. Currently, I am focusing on artificial intelligence to grow professionally. My aim to create opportunities for myself and others through technology.
Where do you belong to?
I belong to Dera Ghazi Khan, which is a developing city in Punjab. Growing up there taught me simplicity, discipline, and hard work. Despite limited resources, I always had big dreams. That is what motivates me to move forward today.
What are you currently doing?
At the moment, I am a student at Rihan AI Teacher Training Institute. I am actively learning new digital tools and AI based skills. Every day, I practice and improve myself through assignments and tasks. This learning phase is very important for my future.
Which course are you enrolled in?
I'm enrolled in the AI teacher training course. This course is helping me understand both AI tools and teaching methods. It is not only about learning, but also about delivering knowledge that makes it very valuable for my career.
Okay. The next question is which batch are you part of?
I am part of batch 22 at the institute. Being part of this batch gives me a sense of community and motivation. We learn together, share ideas, and support each other. It makes the following journey more engaging.
Why did you join this institute?
I joined this institute because I wanted to learn artificial intelligence properly. I believe AI is the future, and learning it now is very important. This platform gives structured learning and guidance. That's why I chose it.
What is your main goal in learning AI?
My goal is to use AI skills for online earning and remote jobs. I also want to become capable enough to each others. I believe knowledge becomes more valuable when shared. So I want to grow and help others grow too.
Do you want to work remotely?
Yes, I strongly want to work remotely. Remote work provides flexibility and global opportunities. It allows us to earn from anywhere in the world. That's why I'm focusing on building online skills.
What kind of work are you interested in?
I'm interested in AI related work, freelancing, and digital services. I want to explore content creation, automation, and online business. These fields are growing rapidly. Uh, they also offer good income opportunities.
Where did you complete your early education?
I completed my early education in my village. It was a simple environment but full of learning opportunities. My teachers played an important role in shaping my mindset. That foundation still supports me today.
What is your academic qualification?
I have completed my BS in physics. This degree helped me understand scientific concepts and problem solving. It also improved my analytical thinking. These skills are now helping me in AI learning.
From which university did you graduate?
I graduated from the University of Education, DG Khan campus. It was a great experience for me academically and personally. I learned discipline, consistency, and focus there. Those qualities are still with me.
Why did you choose physics?
I chose physics because I was curious about how things work. I enjoyed understanding concepts and solving problems. Physics develops logical thinking. That's why it was my favorite subject.
How is your physics background helping you now?
My physics background helps me think logically and analytically. AI also requires understanding systems and patterns, so it becomes easier for me to learn new concepts. It gives me a strong advantage.
What do you think about artificial intelligence?
I believe AI is a revolutionary technology. It is changing the way we work and live. From automation is decision making, AI is everywhere. Learning it today means preparing for the future.
What benefit do you see in the learning AI?
AI provides many benefits like saving time and increasing efficiency. It also opens doors to new earning opportunities. You can automate tasks and improve productivity. That's why uh, it is so powerful.
How are you learning AI currently? How are you learning AI currently?
I am learning AI through structured training and daily practice. I I am learning AI teacher training course. Uh, I complete assignments and explore different tools. Consistency is my main focus. Step by step, I am improving my skills.
What skill are you developing now?
I am developing digital skills. I am also learning how to use AI tools effectively. These skills are essential for remote jobs. They will help me in the long term.
Do you plan to teach AI in the future?
Yes, I definitely plan to teach AI in the future. I want to share my knowledge with others. Teaching is a powerful way to grow and give back. It will also create more opportunities.
How can AI help in earning money?
AI can help in freelancing, content creation, and automation services. Many businesses need AI solutions. By learning AI, we can offer valuable services. This creates multiple income streams.
What challenge do you face while learning AI? How do you overcome these challenges?
Sometimes new tools and concepts feel difficult. There is a lot to learn in a short time, but challenges are part of growth. With practice, things become easier.
How do you overcome these challenges?
I stay consistent and keep practicing daily. I also take guidance from my trainers. Learning step by step helps a lot. Slowly, I overcome my difficulties.
What motivates you to keep learning?
My motivation is to build a better future of myself. I want financial independence and growth. I also want to help others succeed. That keeps me going.
Do you think AI will grow in the future?
My motivation is to build a better future of for myself. I want financial independence and growth. I also want to help others succeed. Yes, AI will grow very fast the in the coming years. It will become part of every industry, from education to learning. AI is important now.
What advice would you give to beginners?
Start early and stay consistent. Don't be afraid of new technology. Keep practicing and learning daily. Success comes with patience and effort.
How important is consistency in learning?
Consistency is the key to success. Small daily efforts create big results. If you keep learning regularly, you will improve. That's
What is your future vision?
Vision is to become skilled in AI and build a strong online career. I want to earn through remote work. I also want to teach others. This is my long term goal.
How will AI help society?
AI will make work easier and faster. It will improve efficiency in many fields. It can solve complex problems quickly. Uh, that will benefit society.
What makes your journey special?
My journey shows that even from a village, you can learn modern skills with determination. Anything is possible. It is about mindset and effort that makes it special.
Can you summarize your journey in one, two, three lines? So then we go to close our conduct interviews. This one.
My journey is about learning AI, growing digitally, and creating opportunities for myself and others.
Okay, so now we are very thankful to Mr. Wajid. He gave us his precious work, time, and it will be a very benefit for our beginners and our youth. Then they listen the podcast about the journey of Mr. Wajid. Now he is currently course in Rehan AI teacher training and learning about AI, and also he give us his future plans, and it will be make a very easier for us and very beneficial for us his suggestions. Thank you, Mr. Wajid. Will we become again next time, inshallah. For that time, we will be now leaving this interview. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum salam.